Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus minus multiplication. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dots and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 56, B is 76, C is 87 and D is minus 87. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve any arithmetic expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out similar precedence. Both have similar precedence. Find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction have the same precedence. So you can solve addition first if it is coming first, and you can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve all bracket. So here we have this bracket, which is 8 multiplied by 7. So we will solve this one, which is 72 and minus 8 multiplied by 7 equals to 56. Multiply 3, we will write as it is, and plus, and 3 raised to power 2, we will write as it is now. And here we will give the reference, which is 8 multiplied by 7 equals to 56. Now, move forward. We have solved step number 1. Now we will solve the step number 2, which is exponent part. So we have to solve this part in this expression. So we will write 72 minus 56 multiplied by 3. We will write as it is, and plus 3 raised to power t means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 9. So we will write 9 as it is. 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9, and this becomes this. Now move forward. We have solved step number 2 as well. Now we will go step number 3, which is division and multiplication. So first of all, we will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So here we have this multiplication which is coming in this expression. So we will write this one. So 72 minus 56 multiplied by 3 means 168. So we will write 168 as it is and plus 9 as it is. So here we will multiply 56 multiplied by 3 equals to 168. Now we have solved all division and multiplication. Now we have to solve the addition and subtraction. First of all, we have to go left to right in our expression and find out subtraction and addition. So here we have first subtraction. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 96. Because 8 minus 2 is 6 and 16 minus 7 is actually 9. Then we will add, but because we have the bigger sign, minus sign with the larger number, so we will write like minus 96 and plus 9 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 72 minus 168, which is equals to minus 96. So the key point of this expression is we cannot get the answer is in positive, we will get the answer is in minus. because we have the minus sign with the larger number. So now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is minus 87, because we will minus 96 plus 9 equals to minus 87. So if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and word mask method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.